You can see I have a single column dataset containing names, months, and sales amount. I want to transform this dataset into a two-column structure. In the first column, I want to display the row level headers, name, month, and sales. In the second column, I want to display the concatenated value of all names, all months, and all amounts respectively. So let's get started. First, I need to split the dataset into groups of 3 rows. To do that, I will click FX button in the formula bar and use the List.Split function. The first argument is the list, so I will provide the data column by referring to its own column name inside the square bracket. So the column name is data. I'll write comma. The second argument is page size as a number, which determines how many rows will be included in each group. Since each record consists of 3 rows, so I'll enter 3. I'll close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see I have a outer list containing multiple inner list. Each inner list contains 3 values. If I click on the blank side beside each, you can see I have the 3 values. Now I want to separate the names, months, and sales into their own list. To do that, I will use the List.Zip function. List.Zip. The function takes a list as its argument. Now I have already a list generated by the previous step. I will just close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see I now have 3 inner lists inside a single outer list. If I click on the blank area beside the list, you will notice that the first list contains the names. Now I want to combine the values in each list into a single text string. For that, I will use the List.Transform function. So the first argument is list as a list. I have already list, right comma, and I'll write each for the each item of the list. I will use the text.combine and I will write underscore, and underscore refers to the list, and the separator will be comma followed by space. I'll close the bracket of List.Transform function. If I press enter, you can see all the names are combined into one values. Now I need to add a row level headers and convert the result into a table. For that, I will use the Table.From.Columns function. Since the function requires list, I will create a list containing the headers, I mean the name, month, and sales, and I will write them in the curly bracket. So I'll write first header name is name, right comma, second header name is month, right comma, and the third header name is sales. I will close the curly bracket and close the bracket of Table.From.Columns. I'll press enter. I'll write comma here. If I press enter, and this is my expected result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.